Welcome back to my channel, guys. Thank you very much for being here one more time on my kitchen. On today's recipe, I'm gonna be showing you how to make okra chicken stew, something very easy and cheap to make. Don't forget, if you're new to this channel, to subscribe, leave your comment down below, hit the bell for notifications, and share this video on any platform you will have. First thing we're gonna do, you're gonna get your mortar and pestle, and you're gonna mix a spoon of oregano, a spoon of parsley, spoon of salt, 1 chicken cube, 1 garlic clove, a little bowl of oil, and a piece of onion. And you are going to mix all that together, and you're gonna blend it really well, and you're gonna set that aside. After that, you are gonna get a tomato, full tomato. You're gonna cut them in half, you're gonna put them on a pan, and you're gonna cook without any oil or water for around 1 to 3 minutes. You can also do a little bit longer depending on how hot your stove gets. After your tomatoes is cooked, you're gonna add the tomatoes to the blender cup. You're gonna add a cup of water, a piece of bell pepper, a little bit of onion, and corn mate. You're gonna blend that all together, and you are gonna set that aside. Now you have 2 chicken breasts right here. You don't have to have 2, depending on how many servings you have, but I'm using 2 right now. And you're gonna cut that, and I'm cutting it right here in long slice because I'm gonna be cutting it in small pieces. Once you have all the slices, put them together and make sure you cut them one at the same time so that you have uniform pieces of when you are cutting your chicken, because you don't want to have like one piece that is this big, the other piece. No, you want all uniform so your dish can be, it gives a really good look to your plate. Now once you have your chicken, you're gonna add a little bit of salt, and that blend of all the ingredients that you did first, you're gonna add, because that's gonna be your seasoning for the chicken. That is gonna be a good flavor, gonna give it a nice touch when you are cooking your chicken. Once you have that, set that aside for around 25 to 30 minutes until the chicken absorbs all the ingredients and flavors for it to be cooked. Now you're gonna get your okra. What you wanna do is you wanna get 3 okras. You're gonna cut the end pieces. You're gonna throw away the end pieces, and you're basically gonna use the middle part. And I'm gonna repeat this process until I cut them all. Right here I have all the okra ready to be cooked. Now while the okra is sitting, I'm gonna be cooking the chicken. Get a pan, put a little bit of olive oil, and start cooking your chicken. Make sure you're stirring the heat of your stove is not too high, because you don't want your chicken to burn. You just want it to cook. Right here the chicken looks like it's mostly cooked. Now we're gonna add the okra. You're gonna stir. You want everything to get incorporated, nice and neat. Look how beautiful the color and the smell of this dish. It is incredible. Now you're gonna add the sauce that you were making on the blender. You're gonna stir again. And you're gonna cook this for around 20 to 30 minutes until the okra gets really soft. Right here you can see as the okra looks soft, the chicken is well cooked. That tells me that it is ready to be eaten. Guys, this is an amazing dish. Here are my end results. Everything looks delicious. It has a great smell. It's something very that you can cook anytime. of the day, any day of the week. Thank you very much for being here. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, leave your comment down below, hit the bell for notifications, and don't forget, if you're new to this channel, to subscribe. I will see you next time with another recipe. Okra Kitchen.